Hello everybody, this is Tim Teester. I'm here with another traffic tiers tutorial video. And so today with this video, what I'm going to review with you is how to fund your piggy bank account. Okay. Some people do the instant payment methods for certain items, and some people like to fund their account. So I'm going to give you an example of how you can fund your piggy bank account to use those funds. So if you need to fund your piggy bank, all you do is you go to your account menu here, scroll down to fund account right here, click on that. This takes you to your piggy bank account right here. These instructions here that is laid out, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just read over this. It's a real easy 4-step process. All you really need to do is pick which payment processor that you would like to fund your account with. And those are the processors: Coinbase, Skrill, Uphold, Payoneer, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or Cash App. And you'll see them down here, the deposit options, okay? You'll also see your current commissions here. If you have commissions, you can transfer your commissions if you would like to into your piggy bank account. But just remember that commissions you can cash out on. You cannot cash out on piggy bank funds. Piggy bank funds are just meant to be spent on the website itself. That's really the purpose of them. You can use piggy bank funds in any way to spend, whether you want to, whether you want to buy some credits. You can buy start pages. See right here, there's the button that you can use to pay for these items. Even upgrades you can, well, I'm already upgraded, but even upgrades you can use for your piggy bank account. So we'll go back to fund account. Like I said, it's a real easy 4-step process. All you want to do is pick which processor you want. So for example, let's say we want to fund our account using PayPal down here. What you need to do, step one, this is step one. You got to send the desired amount to the recipient, which is VC Digital, at VC Digital. So what you do is you can click right here. It'll take you right to it. You can click on the PayPal logo. It takes you right to it. There's our admin. This is the admin of Traffic Tiers, the admin owner. So you just click send and the amount that you want to fund, and it'll get sent to the admin. It's pretty simple. After the funds are sent to the admin, let's say for example you sent $20 to the admin. You then, right here, you fill this in next. So let's say, all right, I sent $20. Then you enter your PayPal email address. If I can type. At, email.com or whatever, whatever your email address is, put your PayPal email addresses, then click make deposit. It's pretty simple. What happens is then the admin will get the message that you've sent $20 to their PayPal. Okay. And then they'll look it over, make sure that the funds are in there. And when they confirm the funds are in there, they then transfer those funds to your piggy bank account. Once those funds are transferred, you'll see it up here, take place up here. Then you can use those funds for however you want to use them. Again, you can make upgrades, you can buy login spotlights, you can buy credits. There's reserved page views you can buy, like down here. Just pretty much anything that you want to purchase on the site itself, you can use those piggy bank funds for. That's really what they're for. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. And again, you know, once they're set, it even says right here what happens next. It says the admin will immediately receive notification that the transaction took place, and the admin will check with the processor to confirm that the funds have been received. Once it's confirmed the funds were received, the admin will then approve of the funds, and they will be updated to your piggy bank balance. You will then be able to make any purchase you want on the site using your piggy bank fund balance. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. If you found that this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And I plan on making some more Traffic Tiers tutorial videos. All right, everybody. Take care.